So here we go again, folks, messing about in my little Cromwell, and I'm not the only one. Both teams seem to be made up of Cromwells. I'm starting to think this might actually be replacing the Lukes as the cutest tank in the game. It doesn't. The Lukes is just undeniably the cutest tank in the game, but the Cromwell is a ton of fun. So, general rule of thumb on this map is take the hill. Take the hill in the middle and you're going to dominate the game. As I'm driving across here, somebody's shooting us from over there. God damn it, one of them hits me. That's put a scratch in the paint. He's not getting away with that. So at this point, the blood gets up, the red mist comes down, and it's payback. Somebody invites me to a platoon, but I'm too busy trying to kill things now. So I made that look slick as ever. Gotta put pressure on these guys from this side. Come on, baby, poke out. Give me something to shoot at. Oh, he's poking out. Boom! Critical hit. And then he drove out and gave me a perfect shot on him. That's what they call a mistake. Now normally this isn't a good position to play in on the map, but because they're all lurking up there and they're pinned down, they can't go forward, so the only place they can go is back, and that's where I'm looking. So I'm getting to put a crossfire down on these guys as they try and pull back, which is pretty useful. He's trying to side scrape, but he's not doing a very good job of it. Got him! This guy, well, he was safe when there was nobody sat next to him, but now I can see him through them bushes. He's not so safe at all. So that's him scratched. And now I think probably the best thing to do is get up on that hill, try and contribute there in some way, shape or form. That's when a mad-ass tank destroyer comes flying in, and oh my word! That scratched my paint as well. Unfortunately, he's on my team, so I can't shoot him. Now I make a bit of a mistake here. There's lots of people lurking at the back there, and that was never going in. And I've just let myself be set up as a target for people lurking at the back. And that's a Hetzer, so he's got the derp gun. So he's firing high explosive, and my radio man's dead. And now he's first aid kit, bring him. And yeah, for all the fans out there, you can now hear the music going through my head. I believe I can fly. Oh, he's dead already. Ish. And now they're dropping like flies. Oh no, the Sherman on our team's just gone over. So I'm going to help him, because I'm like that. Boom! Ram. Tip myself over. Now this Cromwell is a really good tank when it comes to fighting and driving around and jumping over shit, landing on enemy tanks, shooting at enemy tanks, pushing friendly tanks over. Not so good. and we killed them all, so never mind. Did my best to try and tip him, but it just wasn't going to happen, was it? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I'll catch you next time.